Huawei P40 Pro have leaked showing off not only the design but also the interesting camera setup at the back. Highlights: 1. Images of the Huawei P40 Pro have surfaced online. 2. The images show a 5-camera setup at the back of the phone. 3. The phone is likely to be made available in a ceramic body. The phone will run the Android 10-based EMUI 10 coupled with Huawei mobile services, no Google on board. We expect that the Huawei P40 and P40 Pro will ship with the KIRIN 995G chipset. As for Harmony OS, Huawei's in-house OS, that's not coming to phones yet, but plans to Harmony in more smart devices, smart TVs, watches, speakers and so on. Having a closer look reveals something even more interesting. The Premier model, the one with 5 cameras, dubbed Huawei P40 Pro Premium Edition, has a periscope telephoto lens with 240mm focal length. Assuming that the main camera has a 24mm lens, that's 10x optical zoom. Compare that to the 4-camera model, the Huawei P40 Pro, which has a 125mm periscope lens. That should be 5x optical zoom. Both versions have an 18mm ultra-wide camera. The 2 additional cameras on the P40 Pro Premium are probably a dedicated macro cam and a 3D to F sensor. The P40 Pro will have a to F sensor, according to Teme, another leakster covering the P40 phones. As for the base model, the Huawei P40, we already saw that it will have a 17mm ultra-wide and a standard 80mm telephoto lens, so 3x optical zoom. The Huawei P40 will have a 5.2MP main camera, 1/1.3 sensor, 4.0MP cine camera, 1/1.5 sensor, and an 8MP tele camera. The device has also been said to come with a periscope telephoto lens on the back. Comes with a 5x optical, 10x hybrid and 50x digital zoom. The front of the device shows a notchless screen with a hole punch cutout for 2 selfie cameras. The renders also show a power button and volume rocker are on the right edge, while the top and left sides appear to have been left blank. There's also a cutout for USB-C port and speaker on the bottom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Best Tech channel for more updates.